It's summer. It's the 1950s. Well, at least in my wardrobe. And I'm out here living my best vintage fantasy, pretending to be a model. Well, if you squint and the lighting is right, maybe I can pass as one of those Sears catalog girls. Maybe. Today we'll be showing you some 1950s essential pieces for summer and making some style suggestions from flare dresses to high-waisted shorts and everything in between. And some accessories that you could also use to mix and match and create your own capsule wardrobe. So let's get into it, shall we?
A little bit of rock, a little bit of roll. I said a little bit of rock, ooh, a little bit of roll.
We begin with what I call the royalty of the 1950s summer wardrobe, the flared dress. This first one is a dress I made myself. The silhouette is from the late 50s. Technically it's a flared dress but with less fabric, so it behaves a bit like a tulip. Here I styled it two ways, one more casual, for a picnic, for shopping, and another one that says, yes, I'll take another glass of lemonade on the veranda. Now this one is the real showstopper. A full circle dress by Vivien of Holloway. Petticoat optional, but I skipped it today because I really wouldn't like to be melting in front of the camera.
Breakfast in the morning and dinner at night. Everything she do just right. When I say what you want me to do, she say just one thing that I want from you. A little bit of rock.
This one is classic summer party hostess energy. Polished, confident, and a little flirtatious. Just by changing the accessories.
Little bit of rock and roll.
Now moving on to a silhouette that's a little more structured, a little more sultry, the sheath dress. This one I made myself, a proper early afternoon outing ensemble. It is structured, it is elegant, and if I'm being honest, it's a little bit tight. I've gained a bit of weight since I made it, but breathing is overrated. This tropical print sheath is the kind of thing you'd wear to a tiki party. Structured, bold, and ideal for sipping pineapple cocktails while pretending not to sweat through your setting lotion. This silhouette hugs rather than flows. It's less about movement and more about presence. It's the I'm here to be admired kind of dress. There were so many dress styles in the 1950s. Whatever your shape, budget, or mood, there's something out there for you. Next up, two full skirts styled for summer with classic 50s separates. The first one I made myself using a flamingo print fabric with a tiki twist. It's paired with a classic 1950s blouse, which I also made. The second skirt is by Vivien of Holloway, paired with a soft peasant style top. A little more romantic, but still true to that 1950s silhouette. Both looks are finished off with a pair of 50s style mule sandals and a wicker bag, because no summer vintage look is complete without a touch of raffia and a heel you can kick off before lunch. For the casual girls, the pieces you throw on a warm day, some errands, or just looking cute while watering your garden. This playsuit is one of my favorites. I made it myself from a Gertie pattern. The top is made from white cotton fabric and the shorts made from a tablecloth, because why not? Then there's this classic denim capri moment, paired with a pink gingham button-down tied at the waist. A little more sassy, a little more pin-up. And yes, I'm wearing light pink espadrilles to match. Because matchy-matchy is 1950s for sure.
But you don't notice me. It makes me want to cry.
And finally, a pair of plaid shorts, worn with a peasant blouse I also made using another Gertie pattern. Soft, simple, and very much the running to the market for lemons kind of look. I didn't include beachwear in this video, but it's coming. Vintage swimwear, cover-ups, playsuits. I'm making a whole video dedicated to the beach. Coming soon.
I've never seen a girl as sweet as you. If I could have a dream, I'd have a dream of you, my love.
I also wanted to give you an update on Melita, and thank you so much for your warm wishes and your prayers and your good energy. She is doing better. She's still at the clinic, but she's doing better. I went to see her yesterday, and she was purring, she was grooming herself, which is a very good sign. Hopefully it will all be finished soon and she'll be back home. And the sweet surprise is this little guy. I found him on Saturday when I was returning from the clinic, and he was all alone between very busy streets. I don't know how he got there, but I had to bring him home. I couldn't leave him there. He's so tiny, he would never survive on his own. Yes, this is Giuseppe, and he's so cute and he's so nice, and he looks a lot like Melita. So maybe she will adopt him. Well, I will adopt him for sure. I already have. I took him to the vet for a checkup and he's all good. Our ginger family is getting bigger and bigger, isn't it? So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Giuseppe, Giuseppe, Giuseppino.